What's up, world? Listen, I'm a Jamaican just trying to learn Spanish. You know what I mean? This is a channel that I'm going to try to see if I could document my journey. It's a lot of channels on YouTube that gives free content about Spanish, the different Spanish, how to speak Spanish, ways to learn Spanish, the grammar of Spanish, you know, a lot of those stuff. What my intention is find a couple of those channels that works for me, follow their teaching, try to learn from that channel and see what could happen for me. Now, I don't know if those are the correct Spanish that I want, but I just want to learn Spanish, right? Uh, I'm a frequent traveler to Colombia. My ideal Spanish that I want to learn is Colombian Spanish. From all of the Spanish channels that I see on YouTube, majority of those Spanish channels is teaching Spain Spanish. So if it's Spain Spanish I'm going to learn, it don't matter to me. I live in Miami and a lot of Hispanics lives in Miami. All of them understand each other. You have people from Mexico, you have people from Cuba, you have people from Colombia, you have people from Argentina, you have people from Spain. Everybody lives here in South Florida and they all understand each other. From what I get to understand, once you speak the language, you know how to figure out what the next Spanish speaking person is talking about. So I say all of that to say my ideal Spanish that I want to learn is Colombian Spanish. But I'm not sure if I'm going to be learning Colombian Spanish from the free content on YouTube. But my whole ideal situation is to get the free content on YouTube, learn Spanish, learn it well enough. When it's time for me to learn Colombian Spanish, I know how to figure out the grammar, the dialect, all that good stuff. So my number one goal is to just learn Spanish. It don't matter if it's Spain, Argentina, it don't matter. I just want to learn Spanish. Now, the main reason why I want to learn Colombian Spanish, I'm a frequent traveler over there. I do a lot of business over there. I have a gentleman that's over there. When I go over there, he the one who translate for me, but sometimes he's busy, right? Sometimes from my hotel or from my Airbnb, I want to go to the grocery store and go pick me up some groceries, water, snacks. I want to go get some food. I want to go to a restaurant around the corner. He's not always going to be there to translate for me. I want to talk to developers, property owners. I have intentions to throw some festivals or even a minor party in Colombia. And it would be nice to be able to talk to the club owner, property owner, the developer, real estate agent, your local grocery store worker, your waitress, your security guy at the Airbnb or at the hotel, your Airbnb host, so forth and so forth. Have regular conversation with the locals. I would like to know what Colombia is like, going around with a tour guide, sightseeing Colombia. Because if I'm going to do business in Colombia, I would like to know more of their history. And in Colombia, me learning Spanish does not only starts and stops in Colombia. The whole South America would be an option for me. So this whole journey, this whole YouTube journey is for me to learn the language and just document the journey, you know. I go to Colombia a lot, and it's funny. I just learn or know one or two Spanish words. I cannot speak a sentence, a full sentence, or have a small dialect with a Spanish person, not even necessarily a Colombian, but someone that is Hispanic descent. I can't have a small conversation with them in their language, but I go to Colombia a lot. So it's embarrassing on my part that I don't know the language. I can't even have a small conversation with someone. So that's one of the reasons why I'm making it a part of my long life journey to learn the language. So this is it. I choose to document this whole episode in my life, this new milestone, this new journey in my life, making the conscious decision to document this and put it on YouTube because I just want to watch it, and not even only me just watching it, a couple of my friends, I probably could help them out, a couple other people, someone, group of people that might could learn from my experience, learn from my journey. I could easily record this and keep it in my phone, watch it back, play it back to myself, all that stuff. But I choose to just do it this way because the idea for me is, or how I'm looking at it is, I'm learning Spanish from the free content I'm getting on YouTube. Those content gonna be all over the place. What I can do is learn the dialect to the best of my ability, document the journey, upload it to a platform like YouTube. I'm asking if you guys could come along for the ride. Come along with me. Let's make this a great experience. Thank you. Hope you like, you share, subscribe to the channel, and let's make history.